Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best helmets for motorcycle that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number one product name is ILM Full Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet. The ILM Full Face Motorcycle Helmet in blue color is designed for riders who want better head protection across different vehicles such as street bikes, snowmobiles, scooters, and dirt bikes. Its structure is made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, which is known for its solid durability. Inside the helmet, washable inner pads can be removed when needed. These pads are soft and help keep the helmet comfortable during extended use. The product includes two different visors, one tinted and one clear, offering flexibility based on daytime or night usage. A neck scarf is also included for riding in cold conditions, helping to shield against strong wind and low temperatures. The outer design reduces air resistance and lessens sound disturbance while riding at higher speeds. Riders who often move through busy streets or wide trails may find the helmet helpful for dealing with variable outdoor climates. It has a strap system that can be quickly released for easy removal and adjustment. There are multiple air vents placed on the helmet for better airflow, which helps reduce discomfort during warm days. The outer shell and safety layers meet national riding protection levels and ensure the helmet offers a higher standard of safety. Each piece is packaged with care, and if parts are missing, a replacement request is possible. People with concerns about fitting can also request extra inner padding. This helmet supports many types of outdoor riding activities across different seasons and paths. In our list, the number 2 product name is GLX GX23 Dirt Bike Motocross Helmet. The GLX GX23 Dirt Bike Helmet in matte black color is designed for off-road riders who need protection and comfort in extreme riding conditions. It supports use with multiple vehicle types including motorcycles, go-karts, utility task vehicles, personal watercraft, and all-terrain vehicles. Its overall structure is formed using advanced techniques that keep the shell smooth while maintaining steady strength and balance. The outside surface is shaped to control airflow and reduce drag while riding at high speeds. A strong inner core made of expanded polystyrene and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene materials helps absorb heavy shocks while keeping the helmet lightweight for extended use. The inner padding can be fully removed, cleaned, or replaced, helping riders keep the helmet fresh and well-fitting. This makes it more comfortable during longer sessions or competitions where sweat and pressure are common. Several vent spaces are placed across the shell to allow cool air to enter and warm air to exit during use in warm conditions. These vents are designed and tested in controlled spaces to ensure better airflow without weakening the helmet. The helmet shell is formed using careful layering which supports safety while lowering head impact risks. This helmet is useful for riders who need better balance, safety, and airflow without adding extra pressure to the head and neck. The design supports demanding riding routines where road and weather can quickly change. The smooth shape and internal materials help maintain comfort and safety while riding off-road or in active environments. In our list, the number 3 product name is JQF Gear Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. The Full Face Motorcycle Helmet Model WS607 from JQF Gear is created to meet the safety needs of motorbike riders. Its design supports motorcycle users who ride in both cold and warm weather. This helmet is shaped to help reduce air pressure while moving and includes a structured shell made with acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Inside the shell, a multi-layered core helps reduce stress from impact during rides. This helmet includes adjustable air vents that help control internal heat when riding through changing environments. It is built for riders who want better airflow and low discomfort from heat or wind pressure. Riders can choose from versions that come with a clear visor or one that also includes a dark visor for day riding. The structure gives protection while allowing better viewing ability based on light or surroundings. The padding inside can be taken out for cleaning or replaced for improved comfort. Different sizes are made for adult riders so they can find the correct fit based on their head size. The chin strap can be opened quickly, making the helmet easier to use during stops or changes. It is helpful for riders who are on city streets or open highways. The material and design allow this helmet to be used during long rides without causing fatigue. Its focus is on helping users ride safer while staying cool and comfortable under different riding situations. It supports regular commuting and longer motorcycle travels for adults. In our list, the number 4 product name is Oumurs ATV Dirt Bike Helmet. The Oumurs Adult Dirt Bike Helmet is made for off-road riding and includes important safety gear for riders. It is designed for people who use all-terrain vehicles or utility task vehicles and want better protection during outdoor trips. The helmet is built with acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material and includes an inner lining that helps improve comfort. It supports users by providing full head coverage while riding in rough terrain. This helmet package includes extra items such as riding goggles, gloves, and a mask. These additions help protect the face from wind, dust, and sunlight. Riders can see clearly and feel more secure while moving across different landscapes. The outer shape and strong shell are made to handle pressure and impact from off-road rides. The interior fit allows better balance while moving at high speed or down hills. The helmet includes openings that allow air to pass through while keeping the inside cool. This is helpful during rides in warm or hot temperatures. The fresh air flow helps the rider stay more focused without feeling too much heat. A sun visor also blocks strong light to support better vision on the trail. The fast-release buckle under the chin helps users put on or remove the helmet without difficulty. Different size options give adults the chance to find the right shape for their head. This helmet supports safety for both men and women and is built for motocross, moped, and downhill use. It improves the experience of off-road rides for all types of terrain. In our list, the number 5 product name is Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmet is made for both men and women who enjoy riding in different weather and road conditions. It is designed to provide security and comfort during long and short distance travel. The structure is built with acrylonitrile butadiene styrene outer material and has a lined interior that supports protection during use. This helmet supports motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and other similar rides. The dual visor setup includes an outer layer and an inner sun shield that can be adjusted depending on the sunlight. Riders can easily manage brightness and ride during the day with better vision. The open face and full face styles allow users to switch depending on their preference or environment. This makes the helmet suitable for different kinds of road trips or seasonal riding styles. It includes a detachable chin guard and proper head coverage. The inside part can be taken out and cleaned. This supports hygiene and fresh use during repeated travel. The helmet also includes an airflow system that improves cooling during warm rides. Riders can find a good fit by choosing from different adult sizes. The available options help different users pick the right size for their head shape. This design supports safety, comfort, and long-lasting use for road enthusiasts. It is built to be strong and helps with better control during movement. Whether on the highway or off-road trail, this helmet can support a secure riding experience. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.